How should I start? What's up? What's up? Just out here riding around the skate park with Zuna longboards. Just crusting, getting some sweet stuff that the skateboarders can't do. Just repping our board, just repping Zuna.
Well, you never quite forget the first tape you bought. Mine was naughty by nature back when OPP was hot. Who'd have thought that I could ever turn out this way? I'm blaming Ed Rock, Mike D, and MCA. Yeah, it was beasties on my mind pretty much all the time, till I started smoking pot and figured out about Sublime. Oh my God, I never wanted something so badly. I wanna learn to play guitar and sing just like Bradley. And the B-lines that Eric dropped reminded me of hip-hop. I'm singing love in is what I got. Cause when the love it was gone, I learned to play the blues through Stevie Ray Vaughan. I needed music for all the ways it helped me feel, and now I'm loving my guitar the way the BB loved the seal. Can you feel it? Yeah, I'm like 6 damn strings, never said it's so appealing. Can you feel it? Yeah, I'm like once you got the mic, you better sing like you believe. Well, like you believe. Well, like you believe. Like you believe.
Well, Bob Marley was the tune, little J was in the womb. My mom had put the headphones on her belly, feel me move. And every Jimi Hendrix riff, I'd give her a little kick, just to let her know to turn it up a little bit. And please, when I go up, can I sound like Police? That's what I was thinking while I'm praying on my knees. But now that I'm grown, I found a sound of my own. I'm in the studio now, and I feel like I'm home. So can you feel it?
Yeah, I'm like 6 damn strings, never said it's so appealing. Can you feel it? Yeah, I'm like once you got the mic, you better sing like you believe. Well, like you believe. Well, like you believe. Like you believe.